How to redeem Sephora gift card online. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with the process. First thing first, launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in sephora.com. Once you do so, get logged into your account via a web browser, or you can also use your own Sephora app. In order to redeem a gift card, first thing first, you have to tap onto order and then place an order. Now, once you have placed an order, you will see a page like this. Here, tap on checkout. And at this page, make sure that your shipping addresses are correct. Scroll below, then you will see payment method. Tap edit here, and you will again see add gift card. Tap onto your gift card. Before this, make sure that you have enough balance in your gift card. Tap the number that you see on your gift card, type in the PIN, and then tap apply. Once done, tap on save and continue, and likewise you can go ahead and check out. Now if you have any balance in your gift card, you will be able to redeem it. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.